Hello, this is Karen Price. I'm the course director for Composition 2, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the databases that are available to you here at Full Sail through the library. The first thing that you want to do is go to Propeller. Once you're in Propeller, go over here to Library and click on that. Once you're in Library, go up to this second choice under Announcements, Online Research Databases, and click on that. Once you're in there, click on the first one. That's the best one to use for the purposes of our class. Then you're going to come up with this page and click the first choice on that. Now once you're in this page, you're going to be asked to create a new account. I don't need to do that, but you probably will unless you've used this before. If you have used it before, sign in. Otherwise, create a new account. It should be right about here where you click on to create that. I'm going to sign in and I'm going to pause. Alright, so I've signed in and I've clicked on, I've logged in, and this is what comes up. This is all the databases that are available to you under this particular main database called the academic. Now I can't remember the whole name of it, but that's what comes up when you choose that. And what you're going to do is select a specific topic to research. So I'm going to choose something fairly general and choose the safety of using cell phones while driving. And in order to narrow down my databases, because otherwise I'm going to come up with a lot of things, I'm just going to click on the things that I think will bring up relevant information. You're going to need to study these, review them, and see which one of these you think would be the best for your particular search. Some things aren't going to be like this. I don't think is going to be helpful to me, and I don't think an encyclopedia is good for an academic paper. So I'm just going to click on things that could be useful in this search. All right. Once you do that, you click Continue, and then you choose. Then you type in the useful words. Now I'm going to pause while I do that because I have limited time for this video. This is what I typed in, and I'm going to look for it in any of the text. Don't click search yet. You want to make sure that you bring up only full text articles. Otherwise, you'll come up with a lot of abstracts, and they're not good to use in academic research. Then click on search, and you'll find all these things that come up. And so this one looks pretty interesting, actually. This might have some statistics that would be helpful for me. So here's what comes up, and you can see there's an abstract here. And then underneath that, there's the full article. Now, if you don't see the full article underneath there, because it doesn't always come up, you're going to want to click on PDF full text, HTML full text, one of those two. And that will bring it up for you. If you try to do PDF and it doesn't work, let me show you what you need to do. You're going to need to go up to your Apple, which you can't see here on the screen, but it's in the upper left, and you're going to need to click and do software update and make sure all your software is up to date. I actually had to do that earlier today in order to bring all this up. So I have the article here. It has a lot of statistics and a lot of things that might be useful for my purposes in my argument that I'm going to draft about this topic. So that's how you would include that. You also want to make sure that you collect all this information, especially this here. Sorry about all that highlighting. I'm trying to show you because you have the authors and you have the journal and all the information that's relevant to use in your APA formatting for your citation. So if you want to remember that, that would be good. So make sure you have all the information to use in your actual argument that you write. And make sure that you use at least one outside source from this EBSCO host. That's what the general name of it is. Please let your instructor know if you have any questions, and have fun researching.